Hi everyone. Today we are going to give a walkthrough on agentic framework. Let's get started. So I'm sharing my screen. So this is about agentic framework, and the framework that I'm using here is LangGraph. The LLM model that I'm using is Claude 3.5, and the SQL that we are using here is Microsoft SQL Server. Let me show the structure of uh, my database. So the database is employee, and the table name that I have is people. So let me just show you the table. Just a second. Let me rerun this thing and just show you what it has. Okay. So these are the columns. E-name is the name of the employee. Age is the age of the employee. Experience is the years of experience that employee holds. Income is the salary that he or she has. Date of joining, ID, department. So this is the structure of the table that I have. So what my agent does is it takes natural language query and translates it into SQL query and executes it on top of that. So what agentic frameworks are, they are kind of autonomous. So if we go to ChatGPT and achieve the same, let me create a new session. Yeah. So the same thing. Let's say we have a table. Okay. We have a table named people. And I want to, get all the people from the table. So the name of the person is present in the column full name. Give me an SQL query. This is a simple query. What I would get is select full name from per people. Select full name from table people. So that's what I should get. Select full name from people. Okay. To retrieve, it is retrieving all the column, but I wanted just select full name. I think I should have refreshed this prompt. But anyways, it just gives me the query. It doesn't execute. Okay. So let me go back to the Jupyter notebook that I have. Uh, so what here I'm trying to achieve is I'm not only generating query, I'm executing it also. That's what it makes agentic framework as autonomous. So let me show the structure of the graph. So this graph has a start node. Head node is an agent. What head node does is it takes natural language query and decides if the query is a generic query or an SQL related question. If it's the generic query, it would generate the answer and route the graph to the end. If the question is somewhere related to SQL, it routes itself to generate query node. Generate query node is again an agent. What it does is it generates SQL query from the natural language input that we give. And generate query has a tool attached to it, which is known as tools node. So what this node does is it takes the query that is generated executes it, and displays it to the end user. So this is the graph structure all about. And let's quickly run a demo. So so this is a generic query. As you can see, where is Bangalore located? So it has nothing to do with the table. What I'll run it and show how it works. So what it answers, you see, Bangalore is located in southern India in the state of Karnataka. It's just a generic answer. So it didn't, the path it took was start, head node, and directly to the end. As simple as that. Start, head, and directly to the end. And now here's the trick. So now let's put some query SQL related natural language question. So let's look at the table once, and let's say uh, name the people who has income greater than 4 lakhs. Maybe name the people who has income greater than 4 lakhs. Name the people who have income greater than 400, 4,000, 40,000, 4 lakhs. Okay. So now let's look at this. So now it doesn't get the context. Now it got SQL query. The next step is that it should execute the query. So select e name from whichever the table name is, where income greater than 40 lakhs, 4 lakhs, sorry. So that should be the query, which I can see here. I think this is what I'm highlighting. Where income greater than 4 lakhs. Cool, as simple as that. And it gave me David and Abhi. And let's kind of run this thing. Maybe we see David and Abhi here. Cool. And let's say, let's execute the same query here. Select e name from people where income greater than 4 lakhs is what we got. Oh, so this is all about it. I mean, this is a sample application that uses agentic AI. There can be a complicated SQL, text to SQL agents where we would have multiple tables, where we have to do joins, so on and so forth. This is just a simple application which leverages agentic AI. So thank you very much.